Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to your video using Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Canva makes it super easy to create videos that sound professional, whether you're making tutorials, marketing content, or social media posts. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your browser or app and click on Create a Design. Choose video from the available options. You can either start from scratch or use one of Canva's ready-made video templates to speed up the process. Once your project is open, you'll be taken to the Canva editor. Now, it's time to upload your video or record one directly inside Canva. To upload, simply click Uploads on the left sidebar, then drag and drop your video file into Canva. Once it's uploaded, place it onto your timeline or canvas. Next comes the exciting part, adding your voiceover. On the left-hand menu, click Audio. Here, you'll see two main options, record yourself or upload audio. If you already have a voice recording saved on your device, choose Upload Audio and drag your file right onto the timeline. You can trim or adjust where your voiceover starts and ends by dragging the edges of the audio clip, simple and precise, but if you'd rather record directly in Canva, click on the Record Yourself button. Canva will open a small recorder window. Make sure your microphone is connected and working, then hit Start Recording. Speak clearly and naturally as you narrate your video. When you're done, hit Stop Recording. Your new voiceover will automatically appear in the timeline below your video. Now you can fine-tune your project. Adjust the timing by moving the audio track so it syncs perfectly with your visuals. You can also lower the background music volume to make sure your voice stands out clearly. Once everything looks and sounds great, click on Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose the video format. MP4 is best, and Canva will export your video complete with your voiceover. And that's it. You've successfully added a voiceover to your video in Canva, quick, easy, and completely beginner-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva tutorials for more simple design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.